that bitch right there.
Sorry, it's windy. I'm just unloading the Ranger and let's get ready to go in the garage. I'll go through it when we get in the garage. Alright guys, here's a little walk around video of the yellow Ford Ranger. We got it in the garage. It's as you can see, the front end's all plated in and got the winch in it. So a little backstory on this is I built this about 3.5, 4 years ago. We put a lot of good parts in it. It's all forged internals, Esslinger cam gear, Esslinger head. This engine's out of an 89 Ford Thunderbird turbo coupe, 4-cylinder. I used the original intake off, and then I just added a filter to it. It's been sitting outside for a couple of years, and when I was putting my house together, this kind of got put on the back burner and didn't get worked on. So now life's kind of calming down, so I'm gonna start putting it together. We put a new windshield in it. It is fully caged. I got to run a support bar across the center. I was gonna put a support bar under the windshield still. I'm a bigger guy. I'm 6'2", 320 pounds, so I have to have a removable steering wheel to get over that bar for the door bars. I built the dash myself. I still got to put the top cover on it. Reason's off. I'm doing some wiring. Stereo, CB, tack, shift light. I got the top piece. I just got to cut it, but I want to get the defrost and the heater hooked up before I get too carried away. You see that one toggle switch there? I just got the windshield wipers wired in the other day. It sat for a couple years, and then I just put a battery in it and fired it off. I still got race car parts in here. Gonna make some mud flaps out of that snowmobile track. Got this toolbox from our local cow ranch. And then if any of you guys work around drill rigs, you can see I put a piece of drill steel back here. I cut into the back of the frame and welded it in solid. It's got 33 1250 15s, I think, on it. I got a couple new tires I got to throw on it still, but this one's not holding much air. I aired it up about a week ago, but there's the top of the dash. The battery box are going to relocate into the bed. It's got one rock slider on this side, but I think I'm going to take it back off. I used the other one. I never got it fully mounted and then ended up having to use the metal for something else. So fenders are cut out, which these were some old beat up fenders that I was just trying to figure out what to do with the front end, and I did. That's why they're cut like that. I'm planning on getting different fenders. It is a wiring mess. I've been slowly working on wiring. That's all been cut out. The headlights do turn on, but I got to get some marker lights. Still got to wire the tail lights and the brake lights and all that stuff. We put in a aluminum radiator. The intercooler is up front here. I put in it's just an eBay turbo kit. Well, not turbo kit. Well, turbo kit piping, blow off valve and stuff. We're running the turbo coupe fuel injectors, but I got the stock Ford Ranger fuel pump in this yet, and it's not putting out enough fuel to sustain 20 pounds of boost when we got it turned up. So that's my little Truggy. You'll be seeing a lot of this on the channel. We're gonna get some inner fender wells made. We'll get some work done on it, and then we're gonna go out and mob this thing through the snowbank. Well, when it snows. It snowed the other day here, so this is my little Ford Ranger. It's a 86. Yeah, I think it's an 86 chassis. This has been rolled over. If you go way back a couple years ago, I think it's like 8 years ago in my videos, you'll see the video of the night we rolled this. And then this is an 89 cab front end, Ford Bronco 2 axles, 88 or 89 Thunderbird turbo coupe motor, stock Ford Ranger transmission transfer case, and then the bed's homemade. The roll cage was one of those Summit Racing roll cage kits that you just get and weld together. So that's her. Stay tuned. If you guys want to see more of this, you better subscribe, because there'll be a lot of videos coming out of this. I got a couple videos coming up right now. I'm trying to get ahead on videos. I got some uploading right now, and then this one will be uploaded. So I got to go to another state today, and then here in a couple days, we'll start working on it again. I'll fire it up for you, and we'll see how we'll go from there. All right, stay tuned. Better comment and subscribe. Comment and let me know if you guys want to see more. If I don't start getting some interaction on this thing, I don't know why I'm doing all these videos, but we'll keep it going. All right, have a good day.